Good morning, everyone. My name is Chebrolu Bhuvan. We are discussing Chapter 5, Understanding Elementary Shapes. In last class, we have discussed Exercise 5.2, 5.3 topic. In this class, we'll discuss Exercise 5.2. Okay, let us start now. We have question number 1. What fraction of a clockwise revolution does the hour hand of a clock turn through when it goes from 3 to 9? Okay, see. Now you see the question. What they said? What fraction of the clock will take by traveling? Okay, see. Now, what fraction of a clockwise revolution they said? Okay, see. What they said? 3 to 9. First draw a clock. 4 and here 5, 7, 8, here 10, here 11, here 1 and here 2. What they said? 3 to 9. See, 3 to 9. Okay, 3 to 9. See, we know that, see, this is a circle. In that, if we draw a straight line, a diameter, it will divide the circle into two equal parts itself. So, if it is divided into two equal parts, then what will be the fraction? 1 by 2. 1 by 2. And see, if a circle is divided into 4 equal parts, if we draw 2 radius, it will divide the circle into 4 equal parts. So the fraction of this will be 1 by 4. Each part fraction is 1 by 4. And here each part the fraction is 1 by 2. Okay. Okay. See. Now. See the first question. In the first question, what they said? 3 to 9. 3 to 9, it will form a straight line. See, it will form a straight line. So, it will divide the circle into two equal parts. So the fraction of this will be 1 by 2. Fraction is 1 by 2. See the second question. Two questions I'll explain each thing. Okay, next. Okay, see. What is the second question? 4 to 7 they say. 4 to 7. See. You can draw the diagram roughly. No need to draw it very correctly. Okay, see. They are telling 4 to 7. 4 to 7. See now. See. This is a circle. See, we had split it like this. Okay. Now, if we can draw like this also, see. Then also they will form equal parts only. See, anyway, two diameters with same center. See, then also they will form 4 parts. Each part is called 1 by 4th part. So, now they are divided in this way. 4 to 7. So, what will be the fraction? The fraction will be 4 by 1 by 4. 1 by 4. Okay. Okay. Now we understand the first question. Okay, next. Let us see second question. Question number 2. Question number 2, let us see. What is the question number 2? Where will the hand of a clock stop if it is, okay, what is the first subdivision? Starts at 12, makes half of a revolution clockwise. Okay, see. 12, 9, 3, and 6. 1, 7, and 8, 10, and 11. See what they said. Starts from 12, makes half the revolution. Makes half the revolution. See, if we divide like this, it will divide. So, if we tell, imagine this as a clock. This is 9 and here it is 3. Now, if we take it as 9, the time starts from 9, make half of the revolution means, then where it will stop? It will make half revolution stop at 3. Stop at 3. Okay, see. Otherwise, if we start from 8, if it make half revolution, it will stop at 2. Like that. See, if it starts from 12, if it makes half of the revolution, means it will stop at 6. Then it correctly divides the circle into 2 equal parts. Okay. Where will the hand of the clock stop? Hand of the clock stop at hand of clock stop at 6. Okay. Next, see. Starts at 2, makes half of the revolution. 8. See. From 2, if we draw half of the revolution means it correctly divides the circle into 2 equal parts. 2 equal parts. So the answer for this option B is hand of clock stops at 8. Okay. Next. See the question number D. What they said, starts at 5, makes 3/4 of the revolution. 3/4 of the revolution. See, start at 5 and makes 3/4 of the revolution. So, you have to divide this clock into 4 parts. We have to divide this clock into 4 parts. We have to divide this clock into 4 parts. They said it will start at 5. So, 5 and we saw 5 and 8 will form 1/4. So, they had divided the clock in such a way that like this they had divided the clock. 1 first part, second part, third part, fourth part. And they said 3/4 means 3 parts of 1/4. See, here to here first part, second part and third part. So, if it starts from 5, if it moves 3/4 of the revolution, it will stop. Hand of clock stop at 1. Stop at 1. Okay, see. Next, third question. Question number 3 letters. See what they said. Which direction will you face if you start facing? They had given a picture by side also. See what they gave. North, south, west, and east. And they said east and make half of revolution. East make half revolution. Okay, start from east. Make half of the revolution. Imagine this, you can imagine. See, this is a circle. In that, we had divided this into 4 equal parts. And see, if we give half means, we have to move like this. There's a clockwise. So, from the down direction. Okay, from the down direction. Clockwise means, in which direction will the clock move? It is known as clockwise. See, clock will move
See, from 12 to 6, it will move in this direction. North to east, north to east, north to south, in this direction. In this direction only it will move. Okay, see, they said east and make half revolution. So that's after east, half revolution means we'll stop at west. And if we should move it in this direction, so then it is stops at west. If you move in the up direction, we will reach west only. But if you do it like that, the answer what you have written will become wrong. Okay, see, will become wrong. Like these questions, if they ask, we have to compulsorily draw the diagram. And see, let us see the question number C. West and make 3/4 of the revolution. You know the directions I guess. North, south, west, and east. West and make 3/4 of the revolution. Listen, anti-clockwise. They had mentioned the direction anti-clockwise. Clock will move in this direction. See. And the anti-clockwise will move in this direction. Okay, see. Now, west. Move 3/4 of the revolution anti-clockwise. Already, when we are writing the directions, I said you that, imagine this is a circle and these are the 4 parts of the circle. Now, in last, what we saw in the case of clock, we had moved 3 parts, so it makes 3/4 of revolution. Okay, see. Now, west in anti-clockwise 3 parts. See. Anti-clockwise direction. 1 part, 2 part, 3 part. Where it will stop? It will stop at north. Okay, it will stop at north. Otherwise, by mistake, you have started by clockwise itself. Then where it will stop? South. So we have so much difference in both. Okay, see. Next, question number 4, let us see. Which question we are discussing? Question number 4. What part of the revolution have you turned if you stand facing east and turn clockwise to face north? Clockwise to face north. See, clockwise means in this direction. So, if you go 3/4 of the revolution, it will stop at north. They said that. Now, they are asking how much part of the revolution we had covered. Okay, see, I said to imagine this as circle and we had moved 3 parts. So, what will be the fraction? 3/4 of revolution. 3/4 of revolution. Now we have discussed the 4th question. Remaining questions you can solve by yourself. Next question. 5th question. Let us see. All the questions are of same type. If you can understand the concept, you can solve easily. 5th question. See. Where does the number of right angles turn? The number of right angles turn through by hover hand of a clock when it goes from. What is a right angle? Right angle means it makes 90 degrees. Okay, see, this is a right angle. And if we draw like this, see, one more extension we will draw. Now, this will also become right angle only. And I said in a straight line, if you draw a perpendicular line, it will form 2 right angles. So, here if this is a right angle, this is a straight line. So, here it will form 90 degrees. And same here, see, take this as line. Then this will form 90 degrees. And if you take this as line, opposite side will also become 90 degrees. Okay, see, now all are 90 degrees. What they said? In a clock, let us imagine a clock. They said a clock. 12, 3, 9, 3 and 6. They said start from 3 and goes to 6. Okay, goes to 6. Now let us draw here. Now like imagine these are 4 parts and go from 3 to 6. 3 to 6 it can travel. See from here 3, 12, 9 and 6. It can travel from 3 to 6. Then what is the angle here? 90 degrees. So how many right angles are formed? One right angle. Next. 2 to 8. 2 to 8. Okay, see. 12, 9, 3, 6. Here 1, here 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10, 11. See, 2 to 8. Now turn the clock to display that. See, up will be 2, up will be 2, 8, okay, 5, 5, and what is the opposite? Imagine and tell. What is the opposite of 8? 11. Okay, see. Turn the clock and split it. Now, here the places will be changing. 2, 11, 8, and here will be 5. And what they said, move from 2 to 8. 2 to 8. They didn't mention direction. So, in any direction you can move. So, what part of revolution? How much? 2 right angles it had covered. So, it will form 2 right angles. 2 right angles. Now, fifth question you have understood. Next. See, the next question let us discuss. Question number 6. How many right angles do you make if you start facing? If you start facing north, west, east, south. 90, 90, 90, 90. All are 90 degrees. Okay, see. They tell start from south, turn clockwise to reach west. Turn clockwise to reach west. So how many right angles? One right angle. Next. North and turn anti-clockwise to reach west. Anti-clockwise to reach west. Again, one right angle. West and turn to west. Here, see, west. Again, turn to west. Again, it travels like this and again comes to west only. Then, 4 right angles it had taken. Okay, next. Seventh question. Seventh question. See. Seventh question. 12, 9, 3, 6, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10, 11. And here 1 and here 2. See, starts from 6 and turn 1 right angle. If it is, we have said, if it is like this, it will divide 4 parts in this way. So, 1 right angle, this is 90 degrees. 1 right angle means it will stop at 9. Starts from 8, 2 right angles. If as I said, if we make it as 8. So, here let us become 8 and here 5, here 2 and here 10, 10, 10. Here 11. So, they said start from 8, 2 right angles. Then divide the circle like this. They stop at 2. Okay, now this session ends as well as this exercise also ends. If you have any doubt, in remaining questions, you can post me so that I will answer for that questions. Surely. Okay. Thank you. Bye. If you like, subscribe my channel. Like, share, subscribe my channel.